Hi, and welcome to this video. I'm Thorsten Konrad from Germany, and I'm a psychology of vision trainer, and I am very much looking forward to facilitating a workshop for the ASK community with the beautiful title we found out as a result of our teamwork. It's called Moving into a Relaxed Contact with Our Nervous System in Stressful Times. Our nervous system has a very big role in our experiences because it is the place where it gets decided how fast we react to reality and our experiences. When our contact with the nervous system is not there, or it is not good, or it is not relaxed, we cannot but just live in reaction to what happens. The better we get to know our nervous system, the better we can embrace our reality as it shows itself. And we can embrace it. It means that we are able to own and to love what is happening at every moment much easier than we would if our nervous system would be a stranger to us. So one of the goals in our process work and in our joinings is to make friend with us and with our world on such a deep level that our anger, our reactiveness, our density can stop to fight the things that are happening. So it's funny because our nervous system is us, and we can connect with it deeper and deeper, and we can start to feel ourselves on this very deep level, so that the choices for our experience become they can be really good choices because we develop them at a very deep level of our nerves and of our psyche. So our love for ourselves and for our life and the world and everybody in there can be placed very deep in our cells, in our nerve cells, in our physical cells, and in our consciousness. So we can find deep levels of rest, deep levels of ease, of tolerance, of understanding, inspiration, or maybe wisdom, of becoming the very best friend of every moment, and benefiting from this intelligence of the deep friendship with here and now at any moment. So this is what we want to open up. This is what we want to move into in this workshop. I want to invite you into more understanding of your nervous system with this webinar. It's a very beautiful and a very powerful way to understand yourself and to guide yourselves. Actually, the better and the friendlier the contact is that you develop with your nervous system, the more happy and healthy you can be. So come and join us. We will explore the depth of our being and of our reactions. We will work with joining, with meditation and contemplation to understand how deep the love that we want to share with the world can be experienced. So we have a healthy contact with ourselves, healthy contact with our friends and relatedness and families, with our world. And we can learn how our body can be a means of love in every moment of our lives, enjoying and sharing our loving presence as an investment in health and joy and success. So come over, try it out. We're looking forward to joining with you soon on the internet. Thank you for this invitation. Thank you, everybody.